Hey guys, do my makeup with me. So this is just my usual everyday makeup. Okay, so this is me just putting my prime. But before I put my prime, I've already put on I've already prepped my skin. Okay, so this is the foundation that I'm using. I'm using V Beauty. For some reason, I just love this foundation because the foundation is really nice. Okay, so this is me just using the darker shade of the foundation. I have the lighter shade and I have the darker shade. So this is me using this Beauty by AD concealer. Okay, so I'll just blend with my beauty blender. Then after blending, I'll just try to blend my up everywhere, just blend everywhere. Then I'll go on with my loose with my powder. So after using this my powder to take it down, then I'll just contour my nose. When I'm contouring my nose, I usually take it towards my eyebrow, like my eyeshadow area. So then I'm going to do my eyebrow off camera, okay, because I didn't show everything. Okay, so guys, if you have watched up to this time, please do not forget to share this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. So I'll just be using my lighter shade powder to use on my downside here like this. Okay, just the way I want it. Okay, so then after I'll try to blend everything out. See, if you are looking for lip combo, you need this palette. Like, this palette is so good. The palette is everything. Yes, okay, so this palette, you have different shade, and the palette is for Adventure. It's a Nigeria brand. It's really nice. Okay, so I'll just be using my brush to just take it really nice. Guys, do you know that I use my lip combo for this my blush? Yes, I use it. So I did it before and I'm trying it the second time, and I actually love it. Though I have the blush, like the red one, like I have everything, just that I decided just to do it this other method. Okay, so this is me just going natural. Like, I don't want to do my eyelashes, I just do my mascara. And this is my shiny. Oh my god, I love this palette so much. It's been long I have this palette and it has been doing wonders. You see, that other one just fell out, not that I even use it. So guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. So I got this setting spray recently and it's from Kiko. I must say it's actually really nice. I'm using this NYC setting spray. Also, I used to setting spray. Guys, this is what my makeup looks like. I just fix my hair. Okay, this is aesthetic hair. I got it from AliExpress. It's just 20 some, I think 25 euro, 26 euro thereabout. Guys, Synthetic is the new luxurious. Don't play. This hair is so fine, like very soft. So let me know what you think about this look, okay, in the comment section. I was just feeling myself like a baby girl that I am. Okay, it's not a full frontal like that. Okay, it's just only the center that is a bit from, like there's closure there. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See this beauty now. The beauty is from God, and I know. I'm still on your screen. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.